up in Keyport, but my aunt and uncle owned a farm in Homedale. And the oldest and the girl, you were required to do work. So I would go up to the big farm and cook for all the migrant workers, and I had to take care of the chickens. The chickens were my thing.
Nice.
So that's when I really started to learn about what it was to garden. And then my dad really taught me quite a bit. And I run the garden for the food pantry in Hazlitt. So besides doing this, I'm up there the other half of the day. So it feeds my soul. You know, the garden feeds my soul. It's just my way of letting go of the daily stress and everything that's going on in the world. And Lord, we've had enough of it the past year and a half. So it's just a passion. My family lived around the corner, so I just decided I would refurbish the house and move in with my son. And so here we were. And now 30 years later, I'm still here. I kept saying I'll fix it up and then move out, but it's really nothing here. It was just basically some big shrubbery that was up here, and there was a little boxed area where you got in the front door. It was pretty plain and very choppy. There was a big bay window that we took out. There was no flowers. There was one tree, and that was basically it. We, over the course of years, have just put in, you know, perennials, and now I'm putting more perennials than I am annuals, just so I don't have to do this every year. There is no rhyme or reason for what I do and how it goes in. You know, the perennials I put in, sometimes they take, sometimes they don't, because it gets so hot in the front of the house during the summertime, so I'll replace it with something else. I do write notes, and every year I review them to make sure that whatever didn't come up is now, you know, can be replaced with something that's a little hardier. So it's just trial and error. I'll be outside until 9 o'clock at night if I have to, either by working in the garden or just walking or doing whatever, but I love being outside.